Hello, beautiful and good-looking people. Yes, you are beautiful. Welcome back to another video today, or should I say, this week. First outfit, black oversized t-shirt. Oh, black is my favorite go-to. I call this outfit Rockista look. Advantage po dahil ning mubota kay t-shirt na mahal sa ako address na. Don't worry, I'm wearing shorts underneath this t-shirt para tabon sa angay tabunan. Outfit number 2. I like this long sleeve since it's oversized. I feel like boys' clothes general are just oversized, comfy, and slouchy. I need to balance out and enhance the look with this block belt. This is not actually a book. This is a supporter brief. Since ginagamit na akong kanina ni Mahal, gawin nating belt ang kanyang brief. Please don't judge me. Sadyang resourceful lang dyan ko. O why belt ha? Alam na, tagpuin lang ng murag labit-labit bitaw kay murag laway man tanawon. Outfit number 3. I call this outfit gikan nagbangla outfit. Or should I say, 90s inspired OOTD. Long before skinny jeans were everyone's go-to in ani ang uso, in hurt, high-waisted denim jeans are the ideal wear with anything. As in, bisan unsa, angayan siya basta confident lang ka. Angayan ka. Just don't forget to wear belt. Same aning karsunisan ni ugwa ko'y belt na hos na ni. Number 4. Last but not the least. Kamo na'y bahala unsay tawag aning nga outfit. Basta kay oversized t-shirt ni. This is actually one of my favorite t-shirt ni Mahal. Kay dili igang suoton. Bitaw guys, comment down below what type of outfit na you guys wanted me to wear. More to guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next vlog.